You are a YouTuber and you want to make professional thumbnails for your YouTube videos, then this video is made for you. So before going on how to make these professional thumbnails on your Android phone or iPhone, let me introduce myself. My name is Ashish, I am 13, you're watching Truffle Tech. Let's get started. So we have came to our screen and this is the application we are going to use to make our video. I'm going to tell you the application name at the end of the video, so watch this video till the end. Click on the plus button and then we are going to select the ratio YouTube thumbnail, and after that it is being loaded. We have to wait for some time and afterwards it is coming and views. There are many thumbnails templates you can see here. Okay, so we're going to use some. I'm going to make a tech thumbnail and let's think that you're unboxing iPhone 13 Pro Max. Let's edit it and let's write yours is an unboxing channel, iPhone 13 Pro Max, and here you will write, click edit. You can edit the text which is in the templates and you can save it. So this is a cool feature of this application. You do unboxing and review. Okay, review is not fitting, so we'll just write unboxing. So how is this? Isn't this OP? If you want, you can save it. Click on this button. You can see here. Click on this button and afterwards click on download and then click on. You have to select in PNG only because it will be a high quality image. Then you have to click on download. Then guys, the design is happening. It is saving to our gallery. So this is done. I'm going to tell you the application name. It's available in Google Play Store and Apple App Store. I'm going to tell you, watch this video till the end. So you can see there are many. So the best part of this is effects. Click on effects and if you want this, you can select anything. See, it is nice, right? Lift. So this one is nice. This is also nice. This is also nice. So this is nice. Then okay, playing PUBG. You can click on your projects to see the thumbnails you have already made. So see, this video thumbnail is also made by this application only. Many of you think that I made it from some PC because it looks so OP and in high quality. So this saves in 1080p quality. The application name is Canva. You can easily download it from Google Play Store, and if you are using iPhone, you can easily download it from Apple App Store. So I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to like and comment if this video is helpful for you or not, and even subscribe for more if you want more videos and if you're interested in our content. See you in my next video. Till then, have fun. Peace out.